Health and nutrition. Stay strong and healthy every day. Eat right and exercise daily. Eat healthy food like fruits and veggies. They give vitamins and energy. Drink water to stay fresh. It keeps your body hydrated. Sleep well to get good rest. It helps you feel active tomorrow. Play and exercise to grow strong. This keeps muscles and bones healthy. Stay clean and wash your hands. Keep yourself away from harmful germs. Avoid junk food like chips and candy. They can harm your health. Visit the doctor to stay healthy. Regular checkups keep you safe. Stay happy and smile always. Spread joy to everyone around. Say no to bad habits and be good. Make smart and kind choices. Thank you.